Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have explained you how to read a text from a single Word document file and how to write the text in a single Word document file. So here the path of these files and the path of the single or destination file are different. So we are going to use the activities which is in this Word document category. Okay. So if you want to perform all the operations in only one file, like you can append the text or read text or replace the text in within only one file, you can go for with this Word application scope activity. So where we can give the path only once, but I am going to do operations between two different Word document files and two different paths. So first let me show you the Word document file. So these are my three Word document file which contains a single line of data. So this is the data which is in Word document file 1. Okay. So similarly you can see the data in this Word document, which is this is text from Word document 2. Okay. So similarly there is a data in this my Word document file 3, which is this is the data from Word document file 3. Okay. So now what I am going to do is I am going to read all the data from all this Word document files in this document folder, and I am going to write the data in the destination file, or we can say the final file. This is a Word document file, and you can see this is an empty file. So this is an empty file which contains only Word document 4 data, and I am going to append all the data from all the multiple files. Okay. So let me minimize this and go to our UiPath Studio. Within sequence I am going to add a assign activity, and I will create a variable and name it as all files. Now I will write the command in this expression editor to get all the files. So command is directory dot get files, and within braces, within quotations, we need to provide the path of the files where the files exist. Okay. So these are the three files that I am going to read the data from. Let me look at this location. So right click on it and go to properties, and here you can see the location, and just to copy this. Okay, and go to your UiPath Studio and paste it here. Now add a comma and within quotations star.docx to retrieve only Word document files. You need to write this star.docx, so it will take only Word document files from that folder, and then click on OK. Now this all files variable contains all the Word document files. Okay. So I hope you could understand till now, and the next is we need to change this variable to array of strings. Okay, that's it. And next what I am going to do is I am going to search for each activity to iterate through all the files. Okay, and I will just pass the variable name in this field. So that's it, and let me change this name or rename this name to file, because we are going to operate between the files. Okay. And inside this for each activity I will use this read text activity under this Word document. Let me drag and drop it here, and I need to fill the fields, and first I will write file which contains all the file. This for each activity will iterate through each and every file in this all files. Okay. So create a variable and use shortcut Ctrl K and text out data. So convert this to string. Now this text out data variable contains all the data from all the three files which we have created before. Okay, so how to append this text to a different file is using append activity. You can simply drag it from here and drop it. Okay, so here we need to give the path of the file to where you want to add the text. So I'm going to give different location. This is the path, and I will just simply pass the variable text out data which contains all the data from three multiple Word document files. Okay, so this is so simple. I just as used this assign activity, and I have created all files variable, and I have get all the file names, and I have used for each activity to iterate through all the files, and I have used this read text activity to read all the files, and I have created a variable text out data to store all the data from these three files, and I have used append text activity, and I have given the path to where we want to append the data, and I have given I have passed the variable name text out data which contains all the data from three multiple files. Okay, so let me run this bot. So what's wrong with this is you need to close the file. So stop the process and run again. So you need to close all the files before you run this bot. Okay, so let me run again. You will not get any error. So our task is done successfully. So go to the final path of Word document. So this is our Word document for, like you can say, this is a destination Word document file path, and you can appended all the data from all the three files. See this is text from Word document file 1, and this is text from Word document file 2, and this is text from Word document file 3. So this is how working with Word document or Word automation. Please do subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.